We are very pleased today to sign this MOU with the Kenya Institute of Public Health. This MOU seeks to increase the collaboration between KHF and KPH in order to advance leadership within the health sector.
As Kenya Institute of Public Health, being a premier authorized training partner of PMI in the US, we shall be able to provide these global certifications to KHF members in project management, in leadership, and coaching. These certifications include PMP, that's Project Management Professional. For senior leaders, it is a gold standard, matters project management, and therefore it validates your skills and knowledge leading and managing a project. For our younger professionals, our new graduates, our interns, we have the CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management, which is the entry point in project management. And therefore we are able to cater for all the professionals, right from the entry point to the very senior professional to the C-suite leaders, matters project management and leadership.
KPH has agreed to extend a discount to our members in order to be part of this global certification program in project management. What this means is that many more leaders, managers, and people out there in the health sector will be able to access this course for much lower than what is available in the market. And so this partnership is really critical in terms of advancing leadership within the health sector, in terms of enabling projects within the private health sector to go to completion successfully.
Only about 36% of projects succeed. And with the reduction in funding, what we now need is to upskill our project management, because not that we don't have resources, it's just that we are not able to apply those resources effectively. And therefore, as KIPH now and KHF, we are coming in to bridge that gap so that we ensure that we empower and capacity build our leaders to have project management skills, leadership, and also coaching, which will help them to succeed. We are looking forward to this partnership because we know project failure in health sector means that we are losing lives, and therefore #effective project management saves lives.
We look forward to engaging with KPH moving forward. Asanteni.